Hello students, we are going to make another 3D CAD model, okay, as shown in figure. So you can see, so this is the isometric view of the 3D CAD model. So here 64 by 50 mm dimension is given, this thickness is 6 and this 19 mm depth, okay, and 100 mm is the length of this object. So let's start this, okay, you can take the photo of this and we are going to compare. Sketch on this plane, view normal to sketch plane, okay. So here I'm going to make a thick line, say this from this like this. So we are going to draw the rough sketch. So we'll make this shape, so this is throughout, so it will be easy for us. uh, so dimensions, so let's get, so this dimension is given 50, this is given 64 Z. So see, you can see, so there is something problem. So what we are going to do, so first I will make it this line as a vertical. Now it will not select the angle, it will properly give the dimension length, that is 64. We will delete this. Okay, so next is we are going to select the symmetric, so it will reduce our problems. Symmetric about this. Okay, now this distance is 6 mm and this distance is 19 mm. So this sketch is done. So now let's next extrude this. Select this. Okay, so extrude is 100. So we have to do 100. Okay, now next is we have to draw the sketch on this plane. Select the sketch on this plane. Do normal to sketch plane. So here we have to do the rectangle at top surface and its length is say 38. Okay, let's extrude this. Select this sketch, extrude. So extrude, we have to select this sketch. So this sketch is extrude. So here the dimension is, to bottom you have taken 19. So this dimension is, depth is 54 minus 19, 44 minus 19. So that is the depth. So view normal to sketch page. So this thickness is provided. Now you can see. So now this is up. We have completed up to this. Now let's make the holes on this surface. So here that distance is 30 and this is total is 38 and 18 mm is the distance between these. So sketch on this plane, view normal to sketch plane. Let's make circle. So this is circle, another circle. Okay, So give the dimensions. This 18 is given. Okay, this is also 18. Distance between these two is also given. Let's check it. That is also okay. Total is there. They have given 38. So this distance is 20. Okay, and from this this given 30. So 13 plus this. Okay. Next is line. So let's draw the line. One line is drawn. Another line we have to draw. Line. Now make this line as a tangent. So this line is tangent to this. This line is tangent to this. Okay, automatically it is vertical. So it automatically get tangent to both the surfaces. Show constraints. So we have to delete some of the constraints. Okay, okay, done. Now next is that select this, remove, done. Okay. Now next is sketch. On this plane, view normal to sketch plane. Now here we have to draw the lines. So here, so I will say line like this, another line like this, another line like this, another line like this. Okay, the distance between these two lines is 24. So dimension from this line to this line distance is 24, and from okay, from this line to this line distance is 30. From this line to this line distance is 30. Now a rectangle, we will draw a rectangle. Okay, so let's draw a line from this corner. So first we have to make them symmetric, so let's make the symmetric. This is very important. If they are not symmetric, so it will be uh, error in our whole geometry. Okay, already it is symmetric because we have given all the dimension on the both sides. So next, now line. Okay, so you can see from this point to this corner, again line from this corner to this point. Now use the trim command. So whatever the portion you don't want, you have to select it, trim. So this is all going to trim. Oh, well, we have to draw this line also. Now next is done. So next is extrude. So select this, So we have to remove this. So remove. Okay, so we have to provide the depth. So you can see this, the depth is, so this is the depth. So what is depth? So 13 mm is the depth. You can see from this side, you can check it. So the 13 mm is the depth. Okay, done. Now next is, again we have to draw the sketch here. View normal to sketch plane. So there are two circles are there. Okay, so let's check their positions. So its position is 13 mm from this and 10 mm from this corner. So we are going to do its position dimensions, say 13 mm from this. Okay, its dimension, say 13 mm from this edge and 10 mm from this corner. So 10 mm from this corner, and their dimensions are, these are the six holes, two holes of uh, 20 mm depth. Okay, and their 6 mm is the diameter. So their diameter is 6 mm. Okay, you can see two holes, m6, depth 20. Okay, so next done. So extrude, and now we are going to select these two circles. Okay, so what is the depth? Remove, depth is 20 mm. Done. So I think their diameter is, radius is 12. So let's, okay, so radius is 12, so we have to make it 12. Let's see the diagram. Okay, yes, correct. So this is also 12. Okay, done. So it automatically get increased. Next is the sketch. So here we have to draw the sketch. Now here, view normal to sketch plane. Here is also one circle is here. So we have to provide the dimension to this. So you can check it. So its diameter is 10, and it's 19 mm distance from this direction. So let's make it. Its diameter is 10, and its distance from this is nothing but the 19 mm. Okay, now this is completed. So let's make it extrude, and this is through all. This hole is through all. Remove, through all. Done. So this diagram is completed. The isometric view. You can see. Thank you.